In a public library, Wi-Fi is dead, you ask the staff and the answer you get is try again later. Meanwhile, your laptop is plugged into fast Ethernet, but just sitting there, connected, doing absolutely nothing to help. Or you activate dark mode at midnight, but when you open File Explorer, Windows says you're in dark mode, but your eyes are asking you to make it stop. Well, today we fix both. No downloads and no fluff, just two hidden tricks Microsoft probably forgot to tell you about. Step 1, let's see if your PC's actually got what it takes. Open command prompt as admin and type this. Look for the line that says hosted network supported. And if it says yes, you're good to go. But if it says no, I'm sorry, your Wi-Fi card is not invited to this party. Though you can hold on till the part where I talk about the broken dark mode. Step 2, set up your new Wi-Fi router by typing this in the command prompt. Now, my secret Wi-Fi is your Wi-Fi name and 1234 ABCD your password. Feel free to rename it to something more spicy, but make sure to change the password. Unless, of course, you want your neighbors absolutely freeloading. Step 3, now this is the part most people skip. Sharing your internet. Open Control Panel. Go to Network Connections. Click your Ethernet and head to the Sharing tab. Check the box that says Allow other network users to connect. Now, without this step, your hotspot is basically a mirage, visible but useless. Step 4, light it up. Type this in your command prompt. Hit enter and grab your phone, connect your brand new Wi-Fi. Now let's talk about Microsoft's idea of dark mode. You turn it on expecting soothing darkness, right? But then when you open File Explorer, it's like the surface of the sun. Now, not everyone faces this issue, but if you actually are, let's fix it together. Press Windows R and type regedit. Hit enter, and in the registry editor, follow this path. Simply copy and paste that path from the description, because typing it manually is a punishment no one deserves. Once you're there, right click on the right side, go to new, dword brackets 32-bit, and name it to exactly this. Open it and set the value to 0. Just like that, you've overruled Microsoft. File Explorer now turns dark, actually dark. But it might not show right away, and that's expected. So open Task Manager, find Explorer and end it. Don't worry, it restarts itself. If all else fails, give your system a reboot, because sometimes Windows just needs a nap. So now your PC doubles as a Wi-Fi router and File Explorer finally stops burning your eyes at night. Which fix helped you most? Drop it in the comments, and if you're tired of half-finished features in Windows, this channel, what we do is finish them. Like this video if it was of help, and subscribe for real fixes and fast hacks. Here at TechWithBenam we say thanks for watching and see you in the next one.